In this video tutorial, we'll take a look at how you could post links from ThinkCentral directly into Canvas. I want everyone to note that unless you are creating and assigning things through ThinkCentral, you will not get a record of the results from these assignments that you are posting links are. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is either go to your modules to add the assignment or come directly to assignments. We're going to add an assignment and we're going to give the assignment name. Now you could call it whatever you'd like. In this case, I'm going to be pulling over a lesson from chapter 1, so I just called it ThinkCentral 1.1 adding. Now the next step is to go over to ThinkCentral. In my ThinkCentral, you want to be sure you're selected in your grade, and then come over here where you see Interactive Student Edition. Now there are other links that you could post, but more often than not you're going to want to use this one when you're using assignments, Interactive Student Edition. And select whatever chapter you may want. So I'm pulling from chapter 1, and then in this case I'm pulling lesson 1.1. Now when I click on this, it's going to give me a preview, and from there I'm going to be able to extract or copy that web address. So here I go. It opens the assignment. I'm going to come up here and I copied that entire web address. Now I'm going to close that, no longer need it. I'm going to go back to my Canvas assignment, and here I'm going to paste that link. Now in doing so, my students don't need to be logged into ThinkCentral. They can merely click on that link and it'll redirect them to that Interactive Student Edition assignment. But again, note, as a teacher, we will not have access to the results, so we won't be able to see who completed it and the score that the students performed because I did not assign it directly through ThinkCentral. Now, as many people will do, you could choose to take that link and leave it as is, or you may choose to do a hyperlink. So I'm going to real fast take that link back out. And I'm going to go ahead and call this, let's see, click here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, and I'm going to click on hyperlink. It is an external link that I'm using, and I'm going to place that entire web address here, and done. So now again, if my students were to come on the assignment, they merely would just click here and be redirected to that Interactive Student Edition. Now as far as all assignments go, the choice is up to you how you want it to be displayed. Do I want it to be as points at the default, or do I want it to be letter grade or percentage? That choice is up to you. As far as submission type, we're going to leave it online, which most assignments you're likely to do. And then you're going to want to assign it to your specific class or individual students and select your due date. And in essence, what we've just done here is posted an external link that students will be directed to. Thanks so much.